This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Jim Kruger. Wonderful town of Rome location. Very well maintained 3-bedroom 1.5 bath log home. Main floor laundry. Partially finished basement with a separate door and stairs leading to the backyard. There is also an extra bonus room in the basement. 2 fireplaces. Huge wrap-around deck partially covered. This home is not part of a homeowners association. No dues, no rules. Ride your ATV or snowmobile right from the property, and access the main trail on the end of Harn Lane. Start enjoying all that the town of Rome has to offer. World-class golfing. Excellent boating and fishing available on 4 lakes and the Wisconsin River. Don't wait, call now to schedule your private showing. For more information